The Lahontan National Fish Hatchery Complex is an integrated fishery program that is managed by Fish and Wildlife Services. The complex manages the recovery implementation for the endangered kwee and the threatened Lahontan cutthroat trout, or LCT. These fish played key historical roles in the culture and economy of the region. The kwee sucker is found only in the alkaline Pyramid Lake and the lower Truckee River. They were a major food source for local Native American tribes throughout the 1800s and are still important to the culture of several tribes in the region. The largest of the cutthroat family, LCT, were known to reach over 40 pounds and regularly migrated 114 miles in the Truckee River between Pyramid Lake and Lake Tahoe. The Lahontan National Fish Hatchery Complex maintains a brood stock of unique genetic strain of Lahontan cutthroat trout that represent the original lake form that evolved in ancient Lake Lahontan. Over a 15-year period, the complex has carefully developed a stock of LCT from wild fish collected at Pilot Peak. Throughout this process, genetic diversity is carefully maintained, with each spawning fish individually marked, genetically analyzed, and then paired with the individual that will most preserve the unique genetics of this rare lacustrine lake form of cutthroat trout. The resulting Pilot Peak strain, which grows 0.6 inches per month at the hatchery, is now in full production. This fish is also performing well in Pyramid Lake, growing at a monthly rate of about ½ inch per month, with 6-year-old fish reaching 24 pounds in weight. About 300,000 to 400,000 LCT are raised and released each year, all of which are genetically monitored to ensure that historical genetic legacy is preserved. The complex provides fish of all age classes in support of fishery management, recovery activities, as well as supporting recreational fishing. Currently, the Lahontan National Fish Hatchery produces fish for Pyramid Lake, Walker Lake, the Truckee River, Fallen Leaf Lake, and Marlet Reservoir. Other work includes partnering with tribal, federal, and state agencies on watershed connectivity, the National Fish Passage Program, river restoration, in-stream flow development, and fishery monitoring and management. Central to their program is the ongoing partnerships with several tribes, where they jointly work on fishery management and river restoration within tribal lands. Hatchery also collaborates with universities such as the University of Nevada, Reno, to continually refine their conservation and management strategies, which I thought was really interesting. I also really like the fact that they work so closely with the tribes and work on river restoration within tribal lands. I thought that was really cool. I also got a really cool tattoo of an LCT, which has already worn off, but it was a really cool trip and I really enjoyed it.